So you guys, welcome back again. Welcome so much. My name is Kartiavelino. If this is your first time of stumbling into this channel, do me a favor and click on that red button to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Today I am here to share with you how you can have natural glowy skin without using bleaching cream, and your skin will be so subtle and all the scars on your face will disappear, be so radiant without bleaching cream. And without further ado, I'm gonna take you guys down to show you how I make my awesome papaya serum that I use every night. So let's get on to making the papaya serum. So for us to make this amazing face pack papaya serum, we need papaya, which we also call pawpaw. The riper, the better. If you have it overripe, that's even better. It's very rich in vitamin C, which will help to brighten up your skin. It also contains vitamin E and antioxidant like beta-carotene. The beta-carotene will help to prevent free radicals, keeping wrinkles away, and also decrease the signs of aging. Papaya is also very rich in flavonoids, which helps to regrow your new cells. So we don't need a whole lot of papaya. You just need a little bit. You're gonna put it into the blender. Please do not add water. We're going to blend this right now. So now you're gonna pour the papaya into a bowl or a jar. Papaya on its own have a whole lot of vitamin E, but you can still go ahead and add extra vitamin E. If you have vitamin E capsules, you can still pop up 2 vitamin E capsules, but I love to use raw vitamin E. So I will add about 1 teaspoon of vitamin E, raw vitamin E. The next thing I'm going to be adding here is carrot oil. I will leave the link in the first comment box. If you don't watch that video, go ahead and watch this carrot and orange oil. Carrot and orange is an excellent source of extra vitamin C, which will also help to brighten up your skin. So I will use 1 teaspoon of this amazing oil. It's known for skin brightener. Mix it together. Sweet almond oil is very optional. I love using sweet almond oil because it serves as extra SPF, and it will also help to brighten up your skin, diminishing the wrinkle formation. It is very, very light in weight, like extra light. I will also add 1 teaspoon of this sweet almond oil. And now your facial serum is here. You can pick up your own jar from a dollar store or use your old jar that you have at home. You're going to transfer this into a jar, and I love to store my creams in the fridge. Now you have 2 options. You can either use this as a moisturizer, as a serum, or you can use this as a facial mask. So if you want to use it as a mask, you use a brush and have this all over your face. You can leave this on for 10 minutes on your face before you wash it off. But for me personally, I like to apply this at night before I go to bed, so it dries on my face, and then in the morning I take a shower. So 2 options: as a mask, wash it off, or as a serum. You leave it on your skin and you wash it off in the morning, or just apply it the way it is. This is extra vitamins that is going to plump up your skin, radiate your skin, prevent wrinkle formation, take care of acne, take care of black scars, take care of dark circles around your eyes. So everything is in one, and however, brighten up your skin. You don't need bleaching cream. Bleaching cream contains a whole lot of chemical that you don't want to apply on your skin. So go for all natural products on your skin. So thank you everyone for watching, and thank you for subscribing, and thank you also for sharing, and I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. See you guys in my next video. Bye.